Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your system's volume is stuck at 100%, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, try restarting your computer because it could be a generic bug. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart the computer. The next solution will be a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. After that, you can restart the Windows audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now scroll down to the Windows audio service, okay. Right click on it and then select restart. The audio will flicker for a while, but then it will be back to normal. After this, update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio drivers and update each one of them one by one. Okay, even if we are not accessing that device specifically, still update the drivers because all of them are linked to each other. Then the last one is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.